Stake to earn MOVER at no cost. A total of 74,000 in MOVER in the BGB pool for all participants to earn. Stake as low as $1. For easy entry. Quick returns on your rewards. Your returns will be calculated in T+1 hours on your staked amount, and the rewards will be issued every single hour. Higher APY rates. The general revenue on the last day is still over 20%. Based on the previous Launchpool flexibility terms, you can always stake and redeem whenever you want during the event duration. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into MOVER, an exciting new project that's shaking up the world of cross-chain messaging and liquidity bridging. MOVER was recently launched on Bitget Launchpad, a platform for investing in early-stage projects with huge potential. With its innovative hybrid architecture and cutting-edge security features, MOVER has already caught the attention of many investors and crypto enthusiasts. Bitget Launchpad, a platform for investing in promising early-stage projects, has recently added MOVER to its lineup. MOVER is an Aptos-first liquidity bridge and cross-chain messaging protocol that uses a hybrid architecture based on zkSNARK-powered nodes to ensure maximum security and transaction speed. One of the key features of MOVER is its fully automated anti-hack system, which continuously monitors the network and actively prevents any attempts to compromise it. Additionally, MOVER's relayers are operated by different entities, providing an added layer of security and decentralization. MOVER's innovative embedded bridging paradigm enables users to access unlimited liquidity from other chains right at the point of usage, while incentivized liquidity mining allows users to amplify their profits by leveraging existing resources and strategies. By staking their $MOVER tokens, users can earn a percentage of the bridging fees collected by the MOVER protocol, providing a passive income stream with minimal effort or risk involved. Holders of $MOVER tokens also have the opportunity to participate in decentralized autonomous organization (DAO) decisions concerning tokenomics, such as buybacks and burning, fees, and incentives, allowing them to shape the parameters of the protocol operation and be a part of the cross-chain revolution. If you're interested in participating in MOVER through Bitget Launchpad, here's how. Log into your Bitget account and complete KYC verification. From the home page menu, select Earn, then Launchpool. Choose the MOVER pool and select Stake Now. Rewards are distributed directly to your spot account every hour, with the reward calculation ratio based on your staked amount compared to the total staked amount in the pool. Investing in MOVER through Bitget Launchpad provides a unique opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a promising project with cutting-edge technology and a strong emphasis on security and decentralization. So, if you're looking for a promising new project to invest in, MOVER on Bitget Launchpad is definitely worth considering. In just a few simple steps, you can stake your $MOVER tokens and start earning rewards. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Well, that's all for today's video on MOVER and Bitget Launchpad. We hope you found it informative and useful, and that it gave you a better understanding of this exciting new project. Remember, if you're interested in investing in MOVER or other early-stage projects with huge potential, Bitget Launchpad is the place to be. With its hand-picked selection of the brightest projects, you can purchase tokens in their early stage and potentially reap big rewards down the line. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative and engaging content like this. And if you have any questions or comments about MOVER or Bitget Launchpad, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.